Hi, I'm Lynn Porter, the HEP woman. This is Mike England, hypnotherapist, law of attraction practitioner and author of How to Make the Law of Attraction Work for You, or work for me in this particular case. So Mike, what is law of attraction, and the really big question of whether this stuff really works, and everybody's going to be interested in this one, is how do we start to attract more money in our lives now?
That is the most frequent question I am asking. First of all, the law of attraction, to address that, is a process whereby we use our thoughts, our emotional states, to attract experiences and objects into our life, relationships, whatever it is that we actually want. Most people do it by default. The question about money, a lot of people use these different techniques to attract money, and it doesn't come. Why doesn't it come? Well, the thing is, most people have negative associations with money. They'll go, money's the root of all evil. You'll never do any good with that.
Because mum and dad have always had arguments.
I can't afford this.
Yeah.
You'll never do well, you won't. And all those different beliefs actually prevent money from coming. Now, there's two things you can actually do. You can make friends with money. I'll tell you one of the things I do. This is what I did from the very beginning, and it brings a surplus of money to me. It brought clients to me before any of these videos. I used to go, every time someone used to pay me, I go, thank you very much, bring more. And it used to create a real positive, strong, enthusiastic, emotional state associated with money. And what happened was, I don't advertise for clients, and they just keep coming. Because money's my friend. I tell it to bring more. We'll have a party together, and it's great. And that's one positive way to attract more money. However, sometimes people can't do that. Some people can't be as enthusiastic or as optimistic because they're in a dire financial state. So what I say is, take money out of the equation. Actually focus on how it would feel to be in that situation. Money's not an issue, you're just in that situation. So if it's the house, how would it feel to be walking up that drive, saying to your partner, it's fantastic, it's ours, it's ours. And you know what? The situation will come then because you've actually eliminated money out of it. The other thing you can do is there are techniques in my book to actually change the way you feel about money. If you want to deal specifically with attracting money, you know, whether it's £100,000, £10,000 and £1 million. All I can say is it works. It works tremendously well. I use it, you're beginning to use it, and you've actually noticed since you've stopped focusing on money, you're getting all this abundance flowing to you.
Absolutely.
Because you're focusing on the feeling place of what it is you want, the experience you want. And that's the trick to actually attracting more money. And don't get hung up in this recession stuff. That's someone else's belief. If you focus on that, you will attract more of that. So let that go. Just think, you know what, that's someone else's experience. There's not a recession as far as I'm concerned. I've put my fees up and I'm still seeing more clients because I don't believe that the recession affects me. So just change that one round and you'll find more money will begin to flow.
So for people who want to find out more about the techniques in your book, and I know you're doing a lot of additional techniques in your one-to-one coaching with me, you're making our listeners and our viewers more aware of how to do that. They can join us regularly on glastonburyradio.net, on the HEP show, and come to your website, which is www.freedomhypnosis.org.uk.
Yes, they can, and there are free techniques on there, and there's some more video downloads on there. And also I invite people to ask me questions on the HEP show and the online radio show, Glastonbury Radio, because it's an interactive show and I welcome it.
So find out more, keep you posted. Thank you. Thank you, Mike.
Bye.